We're here and Honda at Fort Nelson, Fort St. John. They got a tire. We're gonna get it replaced. And we're just enjoying this guy. I know. We got a tire secured. It's a little bit bigger than the normal stock, but it's gonna work just fine. So we're excited about that, and we're just waiting for them to get us fixed in. But the good news is we got a tire, so we had to go out of our way a little bit. And what did we do yesterday, Dad? We went 120 miles out of our way down to we booked down to Beaver Lodge. Yeah, Beaver Lodge. And then we came up to Dawson Creek, and then now we're coming up further north to Fort St. John to get our tire replaced here. So the good news is we're getting it replaced, and we're going to be back on the road and be able to. That's the last of the repairs, hopefully. I see. And $100. Jeez, that just saved us $100. Okay. 130 in Alaska. They were charging 130 in Alaska?
Yeah. For 10 minutes. So that's
With the
that's
I think
insane.
that was
That's
actually
insane.
less than 10 minutes then. Probably 5 minutes worth. What a deal. Alright, we're done with the tire, and we take it to Caleb. So we're gonna run it to Caleb. We're gonna get a new tire on, and we're gonna get back on the road. We got a puppy in the way. Hey!
What is that?
All right.
Leave it with me.
Hey, thank you. Oh my gosh, we're getting it in. Yes. We can go look at toys too. Be here a couple hours. I'm gonna take my pants off. Oh shit! They got the tire done. We just got word that they got it done early. It's 12:30. We're probably gonna get on the road today. Ah, that's gonna be so awesome. Oh my gosh. We're ready to go. Tire! Oh my gosh, look at that. we just got this bad boy installed, and I'm good to go. Chain's working great. No other issues to report. So we're doing good. We're back at the gas station. We're back to where we were about a week and a half ago. Dad is over there helping out these two folks over here with a flat, and we happen to have the tools to help out. This thing over down here, it's a pretty cool rig that we got, and I've got one of these too, and yeah, it's portable charger, works great, but having tools out here, it's kind of you never know what you're gonna come into. So anyway, this is fun because we bumped into Jude actually right here. What's up, Jude? So if you happen to see this, we're back where we bumped into Jude the first time. We're just outside of Prince George, and then tomorrow we're going to be pushing past Prince George, and then after that, Thursday morning we're going to be back in the States. So that's kind of a huge deal for us. We'll be crossing over into Washington, and we're super excited. So that's all I got for now, and we're gonna go check in. We're about an hour away from where we need to be. We got food just in case they don't have any food at the lodge we're going to. So we're gonna get back on our bikes after we're done helping these guys out, which I think we're done, and then we're gonna take off. All right, talk to you all later.